Hi everyone, Anne-Marie, Soul Awakening Academy here. Now, I just wanted to jump on and show you something when using a pendulum. So I'm just creating more courses that go under the banner of Quantum Holographic Echo Healing. So I love to work with energy and I love to work with the pendulum. And the reason for doing that is to help you clear out your limiting self-doubts and beliefs and confidence issues and help you raise your consciousness, raise your frequency so that you become empowered, that you can let go of the old programming and move forward to the desired life that you deserve. So I'm just creating something new, chakra alchemy. And I went to start the treatment on myself because I'm just testing it out. And I've had lots of coffee this morning, which dehydrates me. So this is how to know when you're in good energy balance, because I could go on and do the session, but I wouldn't have an accurate reading. So first of all, you need to determine what your yes or no is. So I've already done that. My yes is usually, but I always check before a session, goes in a clockwise motion, and my no will go in an anti-clockwise motion, but you must always check because your energy field can change. So check what is your yes and your no before you start. And I asked the question, am I in good energy balance to perform this session? And right now it's no. So if you can see that, it's actually going anti-clockwise. So I thought I would just jump on before I hydrated myself just to see if it's any different. So excuse me while I take a big slurp. Oh, that is a big slurp. I'm sorry, the straw keeps falling out of this. Not normally that noisy. Okay, so let's see if that's done the job. I actually don't think I still feel a bit dehydrated. I'm sorry about I'm not slurping, it's the straw, I promise. Okay, I'm going to ask again. Do I have good energy balance to perform this session? Okay, so now it's going in the clockwise motion because I was dehydrated, so it wasn't going to give me an accurate reading. So that's one of the questions you can ask if you're working with your pendulum and you want to start a session and you need accuracy every time, is just to check, do I have good energy balance to perform this session? And if you're working on yourself, just run through some checks that you may think distort your field. Dehydration is the biggest one. The environment where you're working, are you too close to a Wi-Fi? Things like that can distort your field. So they're just good points of reference to check. Take care, guys.